I need glasses. Okay, but now let's do it anyway. Okay, so we're supposed to do something random. How do we pick random? We'll pick medium questions only, not easy ones. Well, let's do easy ones as well. You're given two array of strings that represent two inclusive events that happened on the same day, event 1 and event 2. Where event 1, start time 1 and time 1, start time 2 and time 2. Event times are valid 24-hour format in the form of 1 minute. A conflict happens when two events have some non-empty intersection, okay, non-zero intersection. You just have to check key. You have to check two things. Is it a string? Okay, it's string format. But I think you can still use operators in string format. So if event one, because your second part है वो greater है event 2 के first part से we return true, और if event 2 का second part अगर now the this thing, right, if this lies between these two, event 2, and it is not given, right, कि event 1 happen, event 1 is going on before and event 2 is happening after that, after it. So even this can be the first event. More safe option is this one. What we need is this thing. It can be key event 1 as a start ho. Let's name it event 0 and it's end here. And event 2 can be anywhere. It can be here or event 2 can be here or event 2 can be here or here, like in the same line as this one. Yes. Or event 2 can be here, same length as event 1, or it can be here, or it can be before, or it can be here as well, or it can be completely before. So that's why we are using greater than, not equal to sign. Okay. Yeah, there can be these many variations of event 2 with respect to event 1, and you need to check all of these. So let's remove our logic from here. What we want to do is for any one of them, either e20 has to be in between them or e21 has to be in between them. If that is true, what it meant by inclusive events? Isn't by definition like inclusive events have something in an intersection? Yeah, the question itself is confusing. Yeah, they don't do not intersect and they're not inclusive events. Or maybe what they mean by inclusive event is the end thing. It's already included, and you're given that start time can be equal to end time as well. Okay, so if e20 is less than event 1 and event 2 0 is greater than event 1 0, means it is present in between these two. And anytime it is present in between these two, between these two, okay, we are saying these are all the cases. These two are all the cases. If it is not present between these two, it can be outside, or maybe this thing is present. So इसका maybe and is present. So it could be this particular case, or this case, or this case, or this case, or this case. In all these cases, the and, these ones won't count. We can just comment them. This one, it will get counted. Even this thing will get counted. Here we can even equal sign, and not here. It starts. How is it true? Okay, even the two thing discounted as intersection as long as they touch, it is an intersection. Then they should do it. Event 20, is it less than this particular time? Yes. Event 20, is it greater than equal to this particular time? No. If we forgot one case here, the case is, what if event 20 is here and event 21 is here? Both are outside this one. Because both outside can be three cases. So if event 21 is less than, we can just first test. Any other test cases we are missing? We have taken the test cases where it is on left or it is on right. Then it is in between all the cases. Only case we didn't took was for the bigger size one. Yeah. Yeah, interesting question. Find the key of the numbers. For some reason, we are only getting easy questions for now, but we'll solve them. You are given three positive integers, num1, num2, and num3. The key of num1, num2, and num3 is defined as if four-digit numbers are stacked. Initially, if any number has less than four digits, it is padded with leading zeros. 001, 0010, 01. It doesn't need zero. 1000. Okay. The ith digit of the key is generated by taking the smallest digit among the ith digit of num1, num2, and num3. Okay, interesting. Let's take few test cases. One, two, three. If I take remainder of 1, 2, 3 with respect to 10, it will give 1. This will give 2. This will give 3. I will choose minimum, which is 1, and that would be my answer. Now let's say I have number 110 and 1000. I'll take remainder, so I will get 1, will get 0, I'll get 0. So minimum would be 0. Again, I will do, because after it these numbers will get converted into divide by 10. So now I get 0 here. I get 0 in all the number, right? Because here we have minimum number 0. So it's like this. So let's say this would be our answer. This is just A, and then A is min of A comma, then A is min of E comma. Okay, now num1, num2, num3, 3, and answer into equal to 10, answer plus. No, this is where we need to think a bit. Let's take the case of 987. It's a 9 and it's a 9. Here, first we'll get 7, 9, 8. So minimum would be 7. So 7, answer would be 7. Now we got again 7. Or let's say, now we got 6. So this 6 needs to be multiplied by 10. Okay, then needs to be a multiplier which is initially equal to 0. This multiplier gets multiplied by 10 every time. Initially, this multiplier is 0. So if we make it, let's say it's 1, then it get multiplied by 7. It gets 7, answer becomes 7. Now comes 6. Multiplier becomes 10. 6 into 10, 60. Answer becomes 67. Now let's say comes 7. Again, the 7. This multiplier is get divided by 7 into 100, 700. Now 767. And ultimately, we would return the answer. Let's try submitting it. Yeah, let's pick. Okay, some premium question. Okay, it's a hard question. Let's try to do. In a project, you have a list of required skills. This people, this person, he knows Java and Node.js, and this person, he knows Node.js and React.js. So we have to take. Oh, this knows no Java. This person knows Java. he knows, he or she, they know Node.js. So if we can just pick 0 and 2, we'll have whatever the requirements are. Okay, we are returning a list in a project, a list of record skills and a list of so it's about smallest possible size team. It seems like decision cycle or something like that. Just giving my opinion. Why? Uh, so there is, we need to make up all the, it is guaranteed an answer access, right? And we have to make up all the skills. And what we need to ensure is we are choosing the smallest number of people to form the team. So we are choosing the smallest team, and to we have to choose smallest team and make the whole set. Even can we do elimination here as well? By so one method I'm thinking can be TSU kind, other can be elimination kind. Like we go to the person who has this number of skills, and we check if we remove that person from the team, can team still function effectively? And if that's the case, we remove that this person. Now we go to the next person who has one number of skill. We try to remove this person, and if we can still work, we keep on going. And let's say we found a person, and if this time we remove their skill, things won't work well for us. So now we can't remove this person. Then we go to the next person and we try to remove them. And this way, like, we continue till the top. Yeah, just a second. एलिमिनेशन ट्राई करते हैं. सॉर्ट करना पड़ेगा उसके लिए. हम्म।
इसी के चक्कर में इसी का तो
हाँ यार वो कूलर डाल भाई, कूलर शायद तुम्हारे अकाउंट से डालता हूँ मैं।
मेरे से डाल दो, बेचो भाई उसे। इसको दे दो ना, ये अवनीश नहीं देगा।
पता नहीं।
Subscription and subscription. Business managed to moving to other data provider. Ticket has been raised. We are sad to see you leave. Relevant team reach out to you during working hours.
सही है।
ठीक है।
किसका नंबर है इसमें? फोन नंबर है क्या किसी का?
फोन नंबर है, वैसे तो मैंने सूर्य से ही कर रखा है लॉगिन, सूर्य वाले से लॉगिन किया हुआ है मैंने। मोबाइल नंबर है 98994996।
चेंज करने का ऑप्शन आ रहा है क्या मोबाइल नंबर?
9899 सूर्य का ही नंबर है तो डोनेट पोर्टल एडिट जैसा कुछ ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा। ओ अच्छा ओके। नहीं, इसमें चेंज का ऑप्शन नहीं है। तुम्हारे पास था इसका? तुम्हारे नंबर से ऐड है इसका?
मैंने अभी जस्ट खुद के नंबर से लॉगिन किया है।
वो तो शायद लॉगिन तो कहीं से भी हो जाता है ना, वो स्कैन करना पड़ता है, लॉगिन हो जाता है, सर्विस तो है। ये वाला किससे लॉगिन है?
अब जैसे ये
हाँ।
कहाँ पे? यहाँ पे अब मेरा दिखा रहा है।
यहाँ पे
तो तुम्हारा केस में क्या हो रहा है?
मेरे केस में सूर्य, क्योंकि मैंने सूर्य से ही बोल के लॉगिन किया था, मैंने उसका नंबर डाला था, उसके पास ओटीपी आया था, फिर मैंने ओटीपी डाला था, तब से लॉगिन। तो हमें दिख रहा है सब्सक्रिप्शन वगैरह तो दिख रहा है, यही वाला दिख रहा है ना? हाँ तो देखो इसमें ट्रैक रिक्वेस्ट करके करना है, गेट हेल्प में जाना, उसका ट्रैक रिक्वेस्ट। मुझे लगता है कि इसको जाएगा।
पेमेंट तो बराबर ही कर रही थी, इसमें भी 500 कर ही रहे थे ना। ठीक है।
इस वाले को तुम्हारे नंबर से लॉगिन है, लेफ्ट वाला?
अभी नंबर तो मेरा दिखा रहा है।
बोलने का नहीं, इस वाले में नहीं, लेफ्ट वाले में।
लेप्योर वाले में लिपियर वाले में भी शायद लॉगिन वो स्कैन से हो जाएगा।
स्कैन से हो जाएगा इसका, लेकिन साइन अप या लॉगिन बता रहे
सेवन
हैं।
सिक्स डबल वन
स्कैन से ही कर दूँ ना,
हाँ,
इसी
स्कैन
से।
से भी हो जाएगा। ठीक है, इसका तो वेट करते हैं। को
उधर कोई स्कैन कर दिया है, लेकिन वो स्कैन वगैरह तो नहीं होगा। एक काम कर रहा हूँ, और मैं जब लॉगिन कर रहा हूँ अपने नंबर से, तो मेरे को पूरा वो अकाउंट वगैरह बनवा रहा है।
हाँ, फिर मेरा नंबर डाल देना।
बताओ एक नंबर अपना।
7611
9611
76
7611
9364
9364
50
OTP।
6205।
ठीक है, हो गया login। इसमें फिल्टर हेल्थ वगैरह भी आ ही रही है। फिल्टर हेल्थ स्टैटिस्टिक्स। अनलिमिटेड बोल्ड पॉकेट 6 month। चलो ठीक है, इसी से पेमेंट वगैरह अपडेट करना होगा इसी से।
अभी तो पेमेंट में टाइम होगा
तो 3
काफी।
महीने तक है अभी तक। हाँ, ठीक है,
सही है।
चलो फिर। हाँ।
हाँ। This is here what you have done is कि एमपी में जितने भी स्किल्स थे वो सारे डाल दिए. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट रिमूविंग द स्किल्स. और कैन वी डू इट रिवर्स कि सबसे बड़े को पहले रख सकते हैं. नहीं, हो सकता है बड़ा भी रिडंडेंट हो. लेट्स डू इट दिस वे ओनली. Okay, now we will start removing all those skills from MP. It becomes equal to 0. Then we repopulate all those skills and break. If it is not equal to 0, just go on and just remove all the skills. But this won't work. This intersection thing won't work because let's say there is a person who has most distinct set of skills. He has a skill called 4, 5, 6, and there are people who have like hundreds of skills, but not the 4, 5, 6 ones. And even if they have like, so one of them has 4, another one has 5, and another one has 6. Beside those hundred of common skills, and if you just remove this person, we have to select 3 additional people just because. So what we need is in that particular skill, how many people are like a or topological graph. How many people are converging to this skill? Yeah, it needs more thinking.